Welcome to the Unite the World First Hand Acro Yoga tutorial on the whale pose.
First, pick who's going to be flyer and who's base. You'll want to make sure that you're wearing clothing that is well fitted and not slippery or baggy.
Hair is up or out of the way, and you do a good breathing as well as stretching warm-up to get yourself loosened up and focused.
Flyer will come up facing away from the base, feet on either side of the head.
Base grabs flyer's ankles and then slowly brings the feet up. The flyer back bends to meet the feet, and then the base places feet on shoulder blades, never on the flyer's spine.
Now the base receives the flyer's full weight.
And then the base will pick up the flyer's ankles.
Flyer brings hands up overhead and together. Make sure you're still breathing.
And here is a view from the base's point of view. Base will put feet over shoulder blades so it's comfortable. Make sure that you ask your flyer, and picks up the ankles straight up into the sky.
Now the flyer interlaces her fingers and points with the pointer finger.
Then the base can release one foot and she can pick up, making the shape of a whale fin.
Release that one foot, make sure you get both sides. And you can drag your toe up your leg, pointing your knee into the sky.
Still breathing. Make sure the neck and head are relaxed as well. Then when you're ready, the base slowly lowers the flyer's feet to the ground and pushes her weight back upright.
Keep communicating, have fun, and celebrate the small victories.
Like, subscribe, and comment as we drive around the whole planet, teaching holistic health practices and epic entertainment.
Be sure to check out both of our channels as we document the whole of this journey, and by searching Unite the World Firsthand.
See you next time.